Hey y'all, I've been having this problem for a little while. I'm getting this runtime error every time I open my Excel or my Microsoft Word or my PowerPoint. It's been very frustrating. To my understanding, there's some sort of conflict between Microsoft and Acrobat. And I really don't care what the problem is between these two applications. It's a bug these guys need to fix because for users like me, it's just really annoying. You got to go in here and press end 3 times just to start your document. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Sorry, for Excel, you don't have to click it twice. For Microsoft Word, for me, I got to click it 3 times to get rid of that error code. You want to get rid of this permanently. I've looked online, looked at all kinds of solutions. Nothing worked for me, but this worked. You go to your Finder, you're going to scroll down to your Macintosh hard drive. You're going to go to your library. You're going to go to application support. You're going to go to Microsoft. You'll have to scroll down to it, okay? In Microsoft, you're going to go to the Office 365 folder. You're going to go to user content. You're going to go to the startup folder, which is the only folder in here. And inside these 3 folders, you got to delete this, and this. To my understanding, these are all Adobe related files that sync or supposed to sync within these Microsoft programs. They just, for whatever reason, there's some sort of glitch for some people and not others. So again, here's the path. You're going to go to your Finder, then you go to your Macintosh hard drive, library, application support, Microsoft, Office 365, user content, then startup. Then you're going to go into each and every one of these folders and you're going to delete this file. You'll have to enter your password to delete it. Okay, go to the next one. Use your password to delete. Of course, the one I use the most frequently is my Word. Delete. It's easy. It's the only folder within any of these files. I'm not going to delete the folders themselves because I don't know if anything else gets dumped there later on. So don't delete the folders. Okay, we're going to close this. I'm going to quit Excel. And then I'm going to open it again. And it's gone. So I really hope this helps you. It's all in your trash. Make sure you empty your trash, restart your Mac, test things out, and hopefully the problem is solved. All right, take care.